Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into something every business owner needs: video marketing that actually works. And we're going to use a real world example from our own backyard to prove it. You know, we're Delta Kits, right? We make top-notch windshield repair equipment, but did you know we also offer the service right here in Eugene, Oregon? Well, we wanted to boost our local business, and video was the answer. So let's check out the video we created. Do you have damage in your windshield? If so, we can repair it for you before it's too late. Did you know that windshield repair is cost effective because it saves you and your insurance company money? Your insurance will almost always waive your deductible and pay for the full price of the rock chip repair, so this means no out-of-pocket expense to you. Windshield repair will restore the structural integrity of the windshield, prevent the damage from spreading, and enhance its cosmetic appearance. At Eugene Windshield Repair, we are 5-star Google rated, locally owned, and proudly serve in Lane County for over 35 years. And with customer satisfaction being our #1 goal, contact us today so we can make you and your windshield happy. Alright, so that's the video we created. Simple but powerful. Now let's break down the numbers and see the impact. We ran this video as a Facebook ad for 16 days with a budget of just $5 a day. That's a total of $78. And guess what? We got 11,157 views and a whopping 3,987 clicks to our page. Pretty impressive, right? But here's the real magic: Facebook targeting. We weren't just throwing money at a huge audience. We focused specifically on the people in the zip codes we service here in Eugene. That's the game changer. No wasted ad money spent on people outside of our area. Plus, we put the video on YouTube and our website to boost our SEO and overall visibility. Now to the results. We landed 4 new jobs directly from this ad, and the phone was ringing a whole lot more, which led to our best month ever for local repairs. That's real revenue from a small investment. But look, not every promo will lead to instant sales, but they will build awareness, showcase your expertise, and create a loyal audience. So here's my challenge to you. Start capturing video clips and photos of your work. Document your process and your results so you can run a targeted Facebook online promo for your business. If you have any questions, need help crafting your next video ad, or just want to chat marketing, reach out to us here at Delta Kits because we're here to help you succeed.